Your phone is losing battery faster than it should, and most people have no idea it's their own settings doing it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which 5 Android settings are draining your battery right now and how to turn them off. These are not obvious things like turn down your screen brightness. These are hidden settings that are quietly running in the background, sucking the life out of your battery every single day. The first battery killer is your location settings, specifically apps that are set to access your location all the time, even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, scroll and tap Location, then tap App Permissions. Now, look at how many apps are set to allow all the time. For most people, it's way more than they realize. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, and even weather apps are pinging your GPS constantly in the background. What to do? Change almost everything to allow only while using the app or ask every time. The only apps that truly need constant location are things like Google Maps if you use live navigation. This one change alone can add 1 to 2 hours back to your battery life. Setting number 2, and this one shocks people, is background app activity. Go to Settings, scroll to and tap Battery, then Battery Usage. You'll see a list of your apps showing their screen time and background time. Tap on any app that has a long background time, like WhatsApp, YouTube, or any social media app. On the next screen, look for Manage Battery Usage and tap Allow Background Usage. This takes you to a page with 2 options, Optimized and Unrestricted. If the app is set to unrestricted, that means it can run freely in the background, sync, and wake your phone up without any limits. Change it to optimized instead. Optimized means Android will still let the app do what it needs to do, but it will be smart about when and how, saving your battery in the process. What to do? Go through your top battery draining apps one by one, tap Allow Background Usage, and make sure each one is set to optimized, not unrestricted. Social media apps, news apps, and shopping apps are the worst offenders here. Setting number 3 is Always On Display. This is a feature that keeps a clock, notifications, or a design visible on your screen even when your phone is locked and sitting face up on a table. It looks cool, but it is constantly using your screen's power. Go to Settings, then in the search bar at the top, type Always On Display. Tap it, and it takes you straight to the page. You'll see one single toggle. Just turn it off. On some phones, this single setting can drain anywhere from 5 to 15% of your battery every day, just from your screen sitting there showing a clock you're not even looking at. Setting number 4 is your account's sync settings. Go to Settings, tap Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts. Scroll down to the bottom of that page, and you'll see Automatically Sync App Data with a toggle. That one toggle controls whether all your accounts are allowed to sync in the background automatically. Now, if you want more control, tap on any individual account, like one of your Google accounts. Then tap Account Sync. You'll see a list of everything that account is syncing: calendar, contacts, docs, Drive, Gmail, and more. What you do? Turn off sync for anything you don't actually need updating automatically. For example, if you never use Google TV or Google News on that account, turn those off. Every item you disable is one less thing waking your phone up in the background. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, go through each one and do the same thing. Most people are syncing way more than they need to. The 5th setting is one of the most overlooked, leaving your mobile hotspot switched on when you're not using it. Even if no device is connected, your phone is actively broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal, searching for connections, and staying ready. That is constant energy use. Go to Settings, tap Network and Internet. You can actually see the status right from this page. Look at Hotspot and Tethering. If it says Off underneath, you're good. If it says anything else, tap in and switch it off immediately. This one surprises a lot of people because they turn the hotspot on for a few minutes, then forget about it. Check it now. You might be surprised. So to recap, the 5 Android settings draining your battery right now are 1. Location always on for apps that don't need it. 2. Apps set to unrestricted background activity. 3. Always on display running while your phone is locked. 4. Accounts syncing things you don't need in the background. And 5. Mobile hotspot left on when you're not using it. Go through each one of these tonight. You don't have to change them all at once. Even fixing 2 or 3 will make a noticeable difference by tomorrow morning. If this helped you, tap the like button. It helps other people find this video so they can fix their battery too. And if you want more tips like this, make sure you're subscribed. I post Android guides every week that are actually useful for real people. I'll see you in the next one.